Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
I will show you how to use Google Gemini for study in simple steps. First, sign into your Google account and open the Gemini web app. If you need access, request an invite or enable Gemini in Labs. Choose a model mode like Creative, Precise, or Balanced for different tasks. Adjust temperature and response length to control creativity and brevity. Spend about 10 to 15 minutes exploring prompts before starting a study session. Save your preferences so Gemini recalls them for future study sessions automatically. Start by asking Gemini to create a study plan for your subject and deadline. Provide sources, lecture notes, or textbook chapters and include page numbers. Request summaries at 1 paragraph, 5 bullet points, and a 3-question quiz. Ask Gemini to generate flashcards with question on front and answer on back. Set a spaced repetition schedule like 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, and 1 month. Export flashcards to Anki or CSV for offline review and mobile practice. Regularly ask Gemini to explain concepts using analogies and examples. Always verify Gemini answers against textbooks or professor notes to ensure accuracy. Request sources and ask for page numbers or direct quotes when possible. Avoid sharing personal data like social security numbers or full ID numbers with Gemini. Use templates for essay outlines, lab reports, and coding tasks to save time. Give feedback and refine prompts by saying revise, simplify, or expand on points. Practice for 25 to 50 minutes per session and take 5 to 10-minute breaks. Save conversations and export notes as PDF or Markdown.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.